What is up, guys? It's Flash, back with some more charts, another video. Thursday, January 30th, 5:45 Eastern. Gonna keep this update super simple. We got Bitcoin here on the daily time frame. Let's pull out our rainbow wave. And that's where we are. Take it off, put it on. So just staying patient here, guys, day by day. Staying patient. I'm itching to go up, but I think, the longer we go sideways, honestly, the better. More energy coming to the upside. So that looks pretty good. Also we'll look at MicroStrategy. What I want to do is go on the 2 hour. So here's MicroStrategy on the 2 hour. Got some previous fractals here. We'll see if they kind of play out or not. But what I've done is kind of simplify my indicator stack just for this video. So if we zoom out on MicroStrategy, this is the peak back in March 2024. We got this indicator on the bottom. It's called, what's it called? Yeah, crypto VN wave trend. So I just like the way this kind of looks. Like, this told you where the breakout line was, it got above it, and then it just went straight up pretty much. So just zooming in here again on the 2 hour time frame, this is the peak back in mid-November. I'm kind of seeing some sort of breakout line, at least on the 2 hour time frame, that I think we'd want to get above. So that, that's something, right? If we go back to Bitcoin and we go on the 12 hour for Bitcoin, so I'm kind of seeing something here as well. Here's a momentum line that, descending momentum line that I think we would want to get above, and it looks like we're kind of inching our way closer to it. Ultimately, I think we just want to break this high, get out of this consolidation. So I think if Bitcoin does that, we go back to MicroStrategy on the 2 hour, I think MicroStrategy will find its way up this green bowl, break out of this descending box, so to speak, and then we can kind of look at what higher targets will look like. My only concern here is, is this a bear flag? We also had kind of a bear flag look back here. Measured move. Whoops. I wouldn't want to see a measured move like this. So we'll see. But I think, as long as we follow this momentum, we can zoom in even on the 30 minute, for example. Like, this is kind of curling up and to the right. But again, you just kind of have these pennant formations that don't look all that bullish. But, we do have earnings coming up here on the 5th. We talk about FASB accounting, what that did for Tesla even. So, last thing we'll look at is MSTR measured in Bitcoin. Let's go out to, I think this is just the 1 hour that we want to look at. But I'll zoom out for you guys. You can kind of get a sense of the momentum, when it's overheated, when it's underheated. There isn't as many clear breakout lines on this one, except for maybe I don't know, right here. And then you saw this really explosive move out of that bottom right here. So I think, we're going sideways, which I like. We're kind of trapped underneath this horizontal resistance line, which in effect is this kind of momentum line on the bottom pain here. So ultimately, you know, I think we want to see this kind of round out. You know, but I like that we're building the energy, at least going sideways and hopefully to the upside. So quick update for me, guys. Drop me a like if you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.